I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, chocolate eclair pie. You just need one small box of graham crackers, which you will lay into the bottom of a 9x13 pan. Then you will just need a 6-ounce box of instant Jell-O pudding mixed with cold milk until it is stiff. Then add in your Cool Whip. It does take a couple of minutes. Then you want to go ahead and add that on top of your graham cracker layer on the bottom. You're only going to pour about a half of this mixture over the graham crackers. Then just smooth it out evenly over the crackers. Next up, we're going to add another layer of graham crackers and repeat with the pudding mixture. Now I like to go ahead here and add a layer of chocolate frosting because it just adds a indulgent layer between that pudding mixture. So that is optional, but I would highly suggest it. Then once you do that, go ahead and just add one more layer of the graham crackers. And the finishing touch is actually going to be one more layer of chocolate frosting. And just spread that out until it is nice and smooth on the top. And you're almost finished with this amazing dessert. It just needs to chill in the refrigerator for 12 hours so that it is nice and set. Then bring it out, cut it, and you have a delicious dessert.